Assalamu alaikum students and viewers. I am Sir Zafar and you are watching ZEA Tutor. The topic of the day is law of demand or function of demand. First of all, my dear students, I will tell you what is the difference between law of demand and function of demand. In classical age, we call it law of demand, and in modern age, we call it function of demand. What is law of demand and what is function of demand? First of all, dear students, we have to explain the word affordability. There are a lot of consumer and customers in the market who want to purchase the goods and commodities, but everybody in the market cannot afford this good. Everybody cannot purchase this good because he has no money. If the consumer has money to purchase that good, he can purchase it, and if you have no money to purchase that good, you can't do it. So the affordability is the basic thing to purchase the good. Affordability is the basic term in the market, and all those people who can afford this will purchase this. This affordability depends on many factors. The factors is not only the price. There are other factors which can also change your affordability to purchase that good. For example, the income of the consumer can also change the quantity of demand and your behavior to purchase the goods. Similarly, taste, fashion, expectations, price of substitution goods, weather, and number of customer also can change the affordability. All these things can change your purchasing power and purchasing mood. But this price is the basic factor which is to be considered in the topic today. All these things also can change your mood of purchasing, but we for this topic consider that all these things are constant and we are supposing them as a parameter. I think that there is no change in these values, but only price can change. If price can change, our quantity demanded can change, and this change is known as demand function. We can see here the price goes up, our demand will fall. If price goes down, our demand will expand. This expansion because of price and this contraction because of price is known as law of demand. Further, we can calculate it with the help of a function. Suppose we have a function QD is equal to 20 minus 4p. Here p is value. Here the value of p suppose is 1. When we suppose the value of the commodity is only $1 or 1 rupee, we can adjust this as 20 minus 4, putting the value of p that is equal to 16. We can say that when price of a commodity is 1 rupee, its quantity demanded goes to 16 units. But we can see that if there is a change in the price, we'll see that if the price changes, what will happen on the quantity demanded? Suppose price goes to 2 rupees, and adjusting this 2 rupees in this function, we can reach the value of 12. So we can say that when the price is rupees 1, its quantity demanded is 16, and if price rises to rupees 2, its demand will decrease and will reach from 16 to 12 units. Once again, we adjust the price that is equal to 3. I think that the price is going to increase and that reaches at 3 rupees. It means that we adjust it in this function and will reach at the value of only 8. It means that when prices goes to 3 rupees, the quantity demanded will decrease and will reach at 8 unit only. Once again say price goes to 4, price is going to increases. What is the result? The result is that 60. At 4, the quantity demanded is also decreasingly goes to 4 units. Once again, I think that the price is increased to 5 rupees. What is the result? See here, 20 minus 20 equal to 0. It means that when price goes to 5 rupees, the quantity demanded will go to 0. We can say nobody is willing to purchase that good at this cost, at this price. The people think that the price 5 is the higher, beyond limit, and they should not purchase this commodity at this higher prices. It doesn't mean that nobody in the society can afford that. There are some people who can afford that at 5 rupees. Some people can say, although we can afford this commodity at this price, even yet they are going to purchase it at zero quantity because they think we can afford. But this is not fair. This is not good price of that commodity. They think that the price of the commodity is very higher and we will not purchase this commodity at this highest price. We can explain this table in the diagram. When the price of a commodity is 1, the quantity of demand is 16, and we are going to plot these 2 points 1 and 16 at the point of A. If the price goes to 2 rupees, demand go to 12. If price rises to 3 rupees, the demand will reach at 8, and at 4, the demand will once again decrease and will reach at 4 units. At 5, the quantity goes to only 0. We can construct a diagram with the help of these points. Students, look at the diagram. If prices decreases, demand, quantity demand going to increase. This price is falling and demand increasing is known as expansion of demand. And on the other hand, we can say if price is rising, our demand, quantity demand is going to decrease. This action is known as contraction. This contraction and expansion is known as law of demand. If price decreases, demand will increase. On the other hand, if price increases, demand will decrease. This action because of price, this change in demand because of price is known as law of demand. But remember that there are no other factors active. There is no other factor operational. All these factors are parameters and constant. There is no change in all these goods. This is another thing will be considered, will be discussed inshallah ta'ala in next video. And in our next video we will teach you what is the difference between the change of price and between the change in these factors. These factors are known as assumptions and conditions of this law. If there is a change in income, surely there will be a change in demand, and if there is a change in taste, expectations, and so many other things are there, so many other factors are there. If there is a change in these factors, automatically, surely there will be change in our purchasing mood. If our purchasing mood change because of price, this is known as law of demand. And if our mood of purchasing change because of other things rather than price, this is known as assumptions. And these are the conditions of the law. If there is a change in these terms, in these factors, surely our demand, our mood of purchasing will also change, but will be discussed in the next video inshallah ta'ala aziz. Friends, this is our video. I am hopeful that our video is absolutely helpful for your study. Please subscribe, share, like our channel, and also press the icon bell so that you may receive all our updates, so that you may receive all our videos recently published, and you will be the first one to reach our video. Stay with us. Will be present at the next topic. Thank you very much.